welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. What we're doing today is I thought I would show you how to set up a Mother's Day brunch. I'm doing mine outdoors by the pool. You can do yours however you want. But I hope to give you some good ideas, a little napkin tutorial that I've done in the past, but I think it's still very cute for Mother's Day. So first, let's go ahead and set this table for our Mother's Day brunch. Okay, first I'm going in with these little really pretty sunflower or flower mats that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I love them. And I'm only gonna do 2 table settings. And then I'm going to use these just to accent the table. It really gives such a pretty bright look, okay? So I'm going to have one person set here and one person set there. And then we're going to use these little Pioneer glassware that I picked up at Walmart a long time ago for the rest of our condiments and things like that. All right, now I'm going in with this. I thought this would be so pretty in the middle. You could do a charcuterie board if you wanted to. Our table's not that big, so I thought this would suit me much better, all right? But before we continue with our Mother's Day brunch ideas, I'd like to say that a portion of this video is in a paid collaboration with Dossier Perfumes. I've worked with them for so long now, and I really do love them. I'll put the link to order in the description box below. I also have a coupon code, Magnolia 5, which will give you 5% off. If you don't know anything about Dossier Perfumes, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. They're paraben-free, phthalate-free, cruelty-free. They do not bother my allergies. The scents last so long. They are absolutely delicious and amazing. They source their ingredients in France. I think it's Grasse, France, and that is the perfume capital of the world, so you're not skimping on any quality. You're just not getting the markups. I love these, and Mother's Day is coming, and this would be a wonderful Mother's Day gift. So let me show you what I picked up. This is a repurchase. This is Floral Peony. I absolutely love this scent. It is inspired by Chloe Eau de Parfum, and it is wonderful. They give you a little card that tells you all about the notes. They have the little magnetic cap, so high-end looking. Every time I wear this, I get such compliments. Then this is a new one, Fruity Orange. It is inspired by Clinique Hat. I love this one. I may have picked this up in the past, but I love it. I think I did, and somebody wanted it, so I gave it to them. This, I get compliments every time I wear it. They last, like I said, 30-day money-back guarantee. You can't beat it. Then I have Gourmand White Flowers. It's inspired by Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. Oh, this is such a sophisticated scent. I'm serious. Every time I wear these, Mom wears these. I've got her onto them. My sister-in-law wears them. My niece wears them. Everybody loves them. And Dossier also has their own originals, as well as candles, diffusers, the perfume, male, female, unisex even. This is Fresh Margarita and Lime from the original collection. This one is truly like a beach party in a bottle, and that's what they say, and it is so true. I had this on the other day, and Melvin was like, we were headed out the door, and he was like, what is that? You smell so good. And I told him, I spray this all over me. I am obsessed with this. It's a wonderful scent. It's not overpowering, and it is delicious. So don't forget to check out Dossier in the description box below, and my coupon code Magnolia5 to get you 5% off. Now, let's go back to our Mother's Day brunch ideas. Okay, let's continue with this. Put some pound cake right here. Next, I'm going in with these really cute muffins from Walmart. I love the presentation on them. They're strawberry and cream. I'm gonna set these right over here. You really, oh, and they smell divine. Next, some banana nut. Now, if you wanted your brunch more savory than sweet, you definitely could do little quiches or anything like that. And then on the top, I just have mini croissants, and I put butter, like a lettuce on there. It's supposed to have more iron than spinach, and I just put some chicken salad. Normally, I make my own chicken salad, and I get chicken breasts, cook them, then take purple grapes, cut them in two, put that in there with celery and tarragon, but I didn't want to do that this time, so I just got Publix tarragon chicken salad, put that on there, and it's delicious. Then I found these at Walmart. I thought these would be really cute to go on here. They're just little glazed donuts, and I'm going to tell you they're delicious. All right, then I just have some cube cheese. I thought I would put some cube cheese in here. Like that. And I have some toothpicks. Probably only put 2 in here since there's just going to be 2 of us. Then strawberries with the sugar. I'm going to put them in this. This will make a lovely presentation. Okay, I have this small little cutting board, and I thought I would get it out and put it right here. I would recommend press and seal if you don't know if it's food safe. I didn't have any press and seal. And I'm just going to get these grain-free flatbread crackers. And Mom can't have a whole lot of sodium, so I thought these would be perfect. For our cheese. And then I love hummus. So does Mom. This is spinach and artichoke hummus. So there's that. Then I found these little breadsticks at Publix. It's really windy today, so my camera is shaking. And it's like 74. It's beautiful. Now I'm just going to put out these plates from Hobby Lobby. I love them. They look so festive. And I think I'm going to put an extra one right here. And maybe these little Harvest Wheat toasted crackers. And then I want to take some of this Cool Whip and put it in this bowl. Okay, next I'm just going to go in with these little gold forks. And I want to put these spoons, one in the hummus, one in this, and one in that. Okay, we still have to do our napkins and some other things. And then I want to show you a really cute little DIY charcuterie element that they can take home with them. But anytime I do this, I like to pre-freeze. I'm going in with this Simply lemonade that has raspberry in it. You could do tea, whatever you wanted, orange juice. And I just froze it in these little silicone molds. And it makes really pretty ice. And as it melts, it doesn't dilute your drink. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the bottom so I don't splash it all over me. All right. And now we're just going to pour this in. And it is going to be perfect for our Mother's Day brunch. Also, I have these little forks, and I want to put these in with the cheese. Okay, I have this basket, and in this basket, what I'm I'm going to do is I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. They're Market Square. They were $2.99. They're the charcuterie cone. And this way, Mom can take something home with her. I think this is a really cute little idea. But first, I want to take, it's so windy, this little napkin and just kind of put it like that, and get another one and put it like that. These little charcuterie cones, we're just going to start putting some of the stuff that's on the table in here. Okay, for this, I am going to use toothpick, and I'm going to put it in the cheese. And I'm going to put one of these little crackers in there. You could break it in two if you wanted. I'm going to put one of these tall little bread cones. And then I'm going to start putting some cheese in. Like I said, you could do mini quiches if that's what you wanted to do. Anything. Okay, we'll set that right there. We're not through with it. Then I'm going to get some of these Pepperidge Farm Verona. It's apricot and raspberry jelly. And I'll put that in there. I might put 2 of them. You can fill this to the brim if you want. You can even add nuts. Okay, and I want you to know this table smells divine. Alright, then I'm going to add one of these right there. And now she can take that home with her. I think it's such a cute little idea. Okay, we'll do another one. I think I'll just break this. Put that right there. Put some more cheese. You can also put the pound cake in there as well if you want. It's totally up to you. And a little cookie. Maybe another cracker. And a little donut. And if you don't want that tall, you can break them down so they're not as tall. Okay, let's do our napkin. Alright, to do this, I have done these many times on my channel. You get this, make sure you get it up in the tines of your fork, and you just start twisting it. Now, I've always put it in like a little container. I'm going to try to just leave it like that, and I think that's adorable. Okay, let's take a look at our Mother's Day brunch idea. Like I've said before, if you want that more savory than sweet, you could do mini quiches up at the top instead of my chicken salad that's tarragon chicken salad with the little lettuce on it in the mini croissants, and then all that deliciousness under there. Then here's a place setting. I just think it looks so happy. Here is our lemonade raspberry juice. Then we come over here to some delicious crackers with hummus and cheese. Then we come here. Then we have some more crackers and those really good cookies. And then our strawberries with whipped cream. And then right here, in that, Mom knows she can take that home with her. Of course, she can take any of this home with her. But you can fill it with whatever you want. You could fill it with, put some real crisp couple pieces of bacon in there, a little quiche, anything like that. It's totally customizable. But I love how this turned out. And it's right by the pool, so it's very relaxing and just gives a wonderful feel. Okay, I thought I would let you see what it looks like after dark. We still have to do quite a bit of work out here. We have to pressure wash around the pool. I want to paint around the pool, but I really am enjoying the lights. We had those last year, but I wanted to swag them, and he swagged them for me, and I love how that looks. They reflect in the water so pretty. And I'm also going to be getting some, we have our umbrella there, it's red, but we don't naturally have it up right now. And I want to get some more plants. but I wanted to show you all just how pretty this is. It is so peaceful and relaxing here. It's almost like, I don't know, a staycation, if you will. Once again, I'd like to thank Dossier for continuing to support my channel. It means so much. Don't forget, I'll put the link in the description box to order, as well as the coupon Magnolia 5 that will get you 5% off at checkout. I know you're going to love them. Well, Maggie wanted to come and say hi. She said, it smells so good. Does it smell good? She says, oh, I love it. I just love it. So she says we want to wish everyone a happy Mother's Day, whether it's to a fur baby or a regular baby, right? So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.